Hey, hi guys, welcome back to our playlist that is SAP Automation. So in this video, we are going to understand how we can create or record the micro script in SAP and how we can execute that script in UiPath. Okay, so it's very interesting concept. Okay, so in last video, I already covered how we can log in the SAP, how we can use the SAP related activity which is available in UiPath. Okay, and how what is the prerequisite means of setting, how we can enable the scripting and all. Okay, so that things is already completed, that link which is available into the description, so please go through that. You will get the more idea about the login and SAP related activity instead of UI automation. So yeah, so I'm going to start this micro record, how we can create a micro code or record the micro code in SAP and how we can execute in UiPath. So in case you are new, so please subscribe to this channel. Yeah, so first of all, I'm going to open this SAP. Okay, so this is already login. Okay, so before the starting of recording, we need to enable the micro recording. So how we can enable the SAP micro script recording? Okay, so here we have an option. Okay, click on that and click on option. You will get the option that is a accessibility and scripting. Under this we have a option that is a scripting. Okay, click on that and enable the scripting. Click on this checkbox. Okay, and uncheck this all three box and click on apply. Click on OK. So before the starting of micro recording, we need to enable this setting. Okay, so this is the first thing we need to do. Okay, so next you will get directly, you will get that option. Okay, so click on this and yeah, so this is the option to click on that and you will get the option means pop-up like recording thing. Okay, so click on this and you can start the recording. So before the recording, okay, I'm going to explain my manual part. Okay, so my manual part is, so first of all I need to enter the transition code and I'm going to click on enter. So then next I need to type the plant. Okay, so this is my plant number. Okay, I'm going to click on enter. Okay, so what is the next? I'm going to click on this checkbox and I'm going to select this release, and this box I need to select the complete copy model, and here I'm going to type the short text, so that is appearance. Okay, here I'm going to enter this data. Okay, so then next here we have a info field. Here I'm going to type the anything. Okay, and then I need to click on enter. So then you will get this pop-up. Okay, so I'm going to click on this checkbox, this checkbox, this checkbox, and I'm going to click on right. Okay, then I need to select the document confirmation, that's it, this one and this one. Then I need to click on this and then I need to click on select, and here I'm going to type the attribute, so that my attribute is nothing but this one, and then I need to enter the plant code, that is a 001, and then I need to click on enter. Okay, so that's it, and finally I'm going to click on save. This is a manual part. Okay, this is my manual part. So that purpose I'm going to record the scripting. So let's see how we can create a micro. Okay, so that is my manual part. Okay, so here we have option, click on this and click on script recording and playback. Okay, after clicking on this you will get this page. Okay, you will get this pop-up. Okay, so here we have three things. Okay, so this is the record script. I'm going to click on this record script. Whatever my manual part, I'm going to I'm going to record the same. Okay, so here I'm going to enter the transition code. My transition code is KVS 21. Then I'm going to click on enter. Okay, so it is going to record the every manual part. Okay, so it is going to record the every action. Okay, and create a script, micro script. Okay, then I need to enter the plant code and I'm going to click on enter. Okay, even it is going to also record the my keyboard stroke as well, what exactly I'm doing. I'm going to click on tab, I'm going to click on enter. So whatever I'm going to doing, so it is going to create a script. Okay, then I'm going to click on this checkbox, then I'm going to select this release. Okay, then complete copy model, I'm going to write the search text, so this one and this one, Then I'm going to enter the info field, something like this. Okay, and then I need to click on enter. So it is going to record every action. Okay, so then I'm going to click on this char. Okay, so this one and this one, and click on write. Okay, so then this one. So yeah, checkbox, and I'm going to click on write. Okay, so here I'm going to type the attribute. This is my attribute, and I'm going to type the plant. My plant number is this one. Okay, and I'm going to click on enter. Okay, and finally I'm going to click on save. Yeah, so this is my all manual part. I'm going to all record that. Okay, after completing this, I'm going to click on this stop. Okay, so here we have a more option. Okay, now I'm going to find out the my script, my micro script. This is a path. Okay, so I'm going to copy this path. Okay, and I'm going to open the file explorer. Okay, and here I'm going to paste this path. Okay, I don't want to directly open this VBS file. Okay, so scripting. So this is my file just as created. Okay, so I'm going to open in notepad. Okay, copy this all things, copy this all script. Okay, and first of all you need to create a one uh, excel sm file. Okay, so I'm going to open any excel file, and I'm going to save as a xlm. Okay, first of all I'm going to create a blank excel sm file. Okay, so in download I'm going to create that one. Okay, so download, and I'm going to select the excel sm file. Oh sorry, here I'm going to select the excel sm and give the name SAP underscore micro. Okay, underscore one, and I'm going to click on save. Okay, what is the step? So we need to create a one blank excel sm file. Okay, so I'm going to open that file excel sm. Okay, so I'm going to open this one. Okay, and here we have a developer tab. If this might be in your case this tab is not available, so enable this tab, go into the file and advanced, you will get that option. Okay, so enable that this developer tab. Okay, then click on visual basic. Okay, so right click. Okay, and insert model. Okay, so then paste that code has created during the recording. Okay, I'm going to paste this code. Okay, so yeah, so that's it. Then next, first of all, so micro starting from this sub, then we need a subspace, we need to enter the micro name. My micro name is a SAP. Okay, so SAP underscore mic underscore one, then open close bracket, then I'm going to click on enter. Okay, so this is my end sub. I'm going to copy this end sub and put into the end of this scripting. Okay, so this is a starting and this is a ending. Okay, so fine, then click on save. Okay, so what is the next thing? So next is whenever you will get this application. So this application like it is a default means it is going to create an object. Okay, an object, how we can create a variable? So variable name and method name, it is a not same. Okay, so we need to change this application. Instead of application I'm going to put the application one. Okay, so yeah, application one. Whenever you will get this option application, I'm going to entering the application one. Yeah, that is fine. I'm going to click on save. Okay, so yeah, my script is ready. Okay, and I'm going to click on this okay, so yeah. Okay, so this is my SAP, and I'm going to go into the original position. Okay, and I'm going to side by side I'm going to open this code. Okay, yeah, so now I want to run this code. How we can run this code? Here we have option. Okay, so here we have option, so click on that run. So it is going to directly start that code execution. Yeah, Yeah, my recording is going to start it. So this is nothing but how we can create a microcode and how we can execute the microcode in XLSM. Okay, so now I'm going to call this micro file in my UiPath Studio. So first of all, I'm going to save this and I'm going to copy this micro name and I'm going to close this file, XLSM file. Okay, and I'm going to keep that is original position. Okay, so I'm going to open the UiPath Studio. So how we can call the micro name? So first of all, I'm going to apply the Excel application scope, and execute micro activity. We have a macro activity directly. How we can execute the micro file? So directly we have a activity execute micro. Okay, I'm going to call that. Okay, so here we need to mention the XLSM file path. Okay, my XLSM file path is which is available into the download SAP. So this is my XLSM, and here I'm going to pass the micro name. That's it. Okay, so that's it, and this is my SAP. Okay, so now I'm going to run that task using this UiPath Studio. Okay, I'm going to execute the micro script in UiPath. Okay, which I already recorded. Okay, so I'm going to click on save and directly I'm going to uh, click on run file. Yeah, so my execution is going to start it. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it is completed. So yeah, it is completed. Okay, so this is nothing but how we can record the micro, okay, in SAP, and how we can execute the micro code in UiPath. Okay, instead of applying the SAP activity or UI automation activity. So try to understand performance wise, it is very faster. We can save the business time as well. Okay, so please try to implement this SAP scripting in your real workflow. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, so please put in comment box. Okay, so yeah,